I'm Austin, a mechanical engineer at Formlabs. In this video, I will walk through the process of preparing aged powder for use with a Fuse 1 generation printer. Fresh powder and recycled or aged powder have different properties. The material that is heated in a print job but never melted by the laser changes its material properties. This is aging. Printing with only fresh powder using default settings may not lead to the best results. To achieve an ideal balance of mechanical properties and cost per part, Formlabs designs default print settings to achieve optimal results using a blend of fresh powder and recycled or aged powder at a ratio called the refresh rate. For some materials, aging is a necessary step prior to bed temperature tuning or any kind of printing to achieve optimal results. Formlabs has created a process for pre-aging the powder so that you can mix it in the sift with fresh powder at the appropriate refresh rate for your material. The way the aging process works is that the printer distributes and heats powder layer by layer to the typical printing temperature. It's essentially a full build volume print that never uses the laser. This process is designed like a print job that can be run in your Fuse 1 generation printer to create a full build chamber's worth of aged powder.
To age your SLS powder, first ensure that your printer's firmware is up to date. Also, update preform to its latest version. Next, fill the printer hopper to the 10-liter mark with fresh powder. This is equivalent to 6 kilograms of powder. Download the FLZ file linked below. In preform, select your printer. In the sidebar on the right, click Upload Diagnostic Print. Click Browse and select the downloaded FLZ file. Click OK to send the print file to the selected printer. After the upload is finished, start the print on the printer touchscreen. The print should take 16 hours to complete on a Fuse 1 Plus 30-watt printer. When the powder is safe to handle, extract the powder cake in the Fuse sift or Fuse depowdering kit.
When this process is complete, you can bring the build chamber to a sift and unpack the powder like a normal print. This print job contains no parts, only a label at the top that can be discarded. The aged powder can be reclaimed into the sifted powder hopper, where it will be mixed with fresh powder for future prints. If you have any questions or issues, please check out our support resources or contact Formlabs support. Happy printing!